Greetings, Mark Brown here. We're going to be looking at how we can actually join a class in Google Classroom. Yes, very important. Alright, so we're going to be looking for the main email address. If it's a student, look at the student account. If it's administration or whatever class you want to join or whatever organization, you actually locate the email address. So I'm going to use this email address to access my class. I'm going to sign in to my email. Alright. And look at it carefully because sometimes I type the wrong thing. Alright, so now I come right here. Alright, the next thing that I want you to do is definitely to come right here and look at that and click, and then I'm going to scroll up. When I scroll up, I want to go to Google Classroom. So this is the Google Classroom. I'm going to click on it. Now when I click on Google Classroom, notice you bring up the class over here, and right over here where you see the plus, you're going to click on it. Notice it says join the class or create a class. So you're going to click on join the class. Now when you click on join class, this is exactly what comes. So notice right inside here where you put in the code. Right, you're going to click. You're going to type in the code inside of it. Yes. And as soon as you type in the code, then you're going to press the word join. Right. Very important. You notice right up here show that I can actually switch account just the same. Right, you notice this is set with the word join. So you want to click on the word join like that, and there you go. You're actually right in the Google Classroom right here. Notice you can actually view the class right here. So you got it right here. Notice, click right here. So right, it's a classmate just the same. I see my co-worker. That's very important. So when you finish, I want to log out of the Google Classroom. You can actually come right here. You can actually scroll up and come right here and log out to the Google Classroom. So thanks for watching.